Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, this is going to be a Zara haul. Yeah! Honestly, if there is any place that I'm about to spend $600+ on clothes, it's gonna be Zara. I go to Zara for work clothes. I go to Zara if I want to buy something for church. I go to Zara for everything. But honestly, 90% of the time that I shop at Zara, it's during their sale season. And I don't understand people saying that they don't like Zara sales. Like, how can you not like it? It's like the best sale in the mall of all time. How can you not like it? Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. If you like the Zara sale, like this video, okay? But these items are not from the Zara sale. There's currently not a sale at Zara. These are from the spring collection. And honestly, I try so hard not to go into Zara too much when it's not a sale because it's very expensive. And I'm usually working on a budget. I'm not rich yet, but we'll be there soon, okay? But I have a few events coming up that I want to look really nice at. So I decided that I will buy some clothes. Yeah, these are about 3 Zara trips. Not just one Zara trip. I can't spend all that in one sitting. Most of these things I have not tried on before this video, so you guys were gonna see it at the same time. So I'm gonna let you guys know the prices, the sizing, how it fits, and the quality, all of that stuff, because I hate when people leave that stuff out, juicy stuff. And the main reason why I'm even filming this haul is because I often search on YouTube for people with my shape and height, but I've never found one person yet that has made these videos with my shape and height. So I'm 5'10" and I'm curvy, so I feel like it takes a lot of extra effort in shopping to get clothes that fit me well, but when they do, they fit really well. So I'm excited to bring you guys this video, and I hope that this helps somebody out there looking for what looks good on a tall curvy girl. Maybe I'll start doing some lookbooks, we'll see. Anyway, let's get right into this video. So the first item I got, I'm so excited about. Ooh, this is a denim jacket, and I've been wanting this jacket since last spring, but I couldn't find it. I kept seeing it on Instagram, but I could not find it anywhere. So I bought this jacket for $49, and I got the size medium. You guys will see how it fits, and I just love this jacket. I actually love it better than the one that came out last year. It's a little bit different, as this one has more rips in the front. I like how the rips aren't too much. So this is cropped, and it comes because I'm tall, it comes like right at my waist, which I don't mind. It still looks pretty good. Usually I don't like crop jackets, but this is a win. Look at the back, so cute. I love it. I just really basic, so I love items that are just a little bit different. So I love the puff sleeve on this jacket. Maybe wrong. The struggle when it doesn't come all the way to, it comes pretty close to like the end of my wrist, which is what I really like about it. So I'm gonna be wearing this jacket all summer. I'm always looking for like a really nice jean jacket, and I found one. Next, I got a few of these cardigan sweaters. These are like my workwear sweaters. They come with this band at the back that really accentuates your waist, and so I got these on sale. Oh, I already took the price tag off because I already wore it. I got these on sale for $17.99. I bought 3 colors. I bought 4 and I gave one to my mom. But I bought 3 colors. I got gray, I got yellow, and I got black. And I got a medium in the gray and the yellow, and I got a small in the black. I actually like the way that the small fits. It's fine. The medium fits pretty good too, so I'm not gonna exchange it. I got so many because the regular price was $25, and I was gonna actually buy them anyway at $25. When I went back to Zara to go get them, they were on sale for $17.99, and I literally wear them to work all the time. They're just easy to throw on. I can wear like a basic shirt under it and then just this on. It looks like I actually tried. The next items that I got, oh, my wig is like, the next item that I got, I'm super excited about. So all summer long, I really want to be wearing like cute matching sets, and that's why I'm going to the gym right now so I can get my stomach super flat. I really want some crop top and pant sets. For now, what I got was this set from Zara. I've been seeing it all over Instagram. So it comes with the top and the bottom. I got the bottoms in a size large, and I got the top in a large as well because I wanted it to be oversized. I'm usually either a large or extra large in the bottoms at Zara, and what I love about the Zara bottoms is that they usually fit me lengthwise. They usually hit the floor. Most time not if I wear heels, but if I'm wearing flats at least they usually hit the floor, and I'm 5'10", so that's good, especially like the wide leg pants. When wide leg pants are high water, it just does not look good at all. Unfortunately, they did not fit me. I don't know, maybe my butt got bigger. They were $79, so I'm definitely gonna bring them back. It's okay that they didn't fit. I really thought about it, and $79 for a pair of pants is kind of steep. Oh no, it's kind of steep, but I'm probably, this is like an outfit that I'm probably only gonna wear a few times. Like I can only wear once on Instagram. I would like the top too, but the top is also $79. I feel like the top should be like $49. I mean, you can tell that it's really good quality, and it's really like, it's well made. The details, the button on the back here, and oh, I guess the button, you can, if you take the button out, it makes it into like off the shoulder kind of. Oh, okay, that makes so much sense. If you take this button out, it'll like relax it and make it off the shoulder. And then they also have buttons on the sleeve and this little hang off tassel thing that's really cute. It's really cute actually. I may just get it when it goes on sale. If I see this for like 40 bucks, I'm definitely gonna buy it. And the next thing I got was an item that I was probably the most excited for. These yellow pants. I love these pants. They're everything. See this color on my skin tone? Like, I have yellow undertones, so when I wore this, people kept calling me like a caramel. Like, I love. I'm gonna insert some pictures here. I already wore them out, but they look so big. Oh my gosh, am I that fat? But yeah, these pants fit really good, and they go all the way to the bottom. Not with heels on though, but they would still look good if I wore heels with them. But they fit me really well. The thing about wide leg pants is, with my body shape, I have 6 thighs and I have a big butt. So wide leg pants, I want them to look like this, but sometimes they end up looking like bell bottoms. It still looks good anyway. Like, it's just a different look. If you were skinnier, this is how they would probably look like you. They do come out a bit though, but I'm still looking for like the perfect wide leg pants that are like straight from my hips. They just go straight down, or like out. They don't like go into my knee and then go out. You guys know what I'm talking about? Yeah, but these pants, these were $79, and I think they were definitely worth the $79 because I've already wore them, and I probably won't see, and I got them in an extra large, which is why they look so big, and they fit nicely, but I'm losing weight, so now they fit a little bit loose. What I may do is, if I lose a lot more weight, I'm just gonna take, I'm not gonna make them tighter. I'm just gonna take in the waist part just a little bit so that they fit nicely. I don't have to like be pulling them up, and they're not like saggy in the crotch area. But so far so good. I love these pants. I was thinking like, they're yellow, am I ever gonna like really wear them again? But I think I will. I think I'll get a good use out of them. So I specifically bought these pants to wear to an event, so I got a few shirts to go with these pants. The first one is this shirt right here. I got this in a size small, and this is from the Zara knit collection. Let me see. It's snug. I love the way it fits. I love this because I can dress it up or dress it down with accessories, and I can also wear it to work. It was $29, and I'm probably gonna buy a lot more colors once they go on sale because this shirt is so comfortable. I really love high collar shirts. Like, that's just me. Like, I don't really like showing cleavage. It's not my thing. If I'm gonna show anything, it's most likely gonna be leg, but cleavage is just no. I'd rather just keep it. Yeah, I'm really loving this shirt, and I got the blue to go with the pants. I think that they look really good together. So I got this multicolored shirt, and I love this shirt because it reminded me of Joseph's, is it Joseph's coat in the Bible? Anyway, it's a rainbow shirt, and it was, why is there no $35? Here's my, these are my receipts. Show you guys that I bought all of this stuff. This is just half of it right here. I don't know if there's any information on this, so I don't want to show everything. See? The only thing about this shirt is really, I loved it, but I didn't take it in that it's really low. It looks more like a pregnant person shirt, and it doesn't really fit my full boob. I feel like these shirts aren't really meant to fit your full boob. I don't know if they're just meant for girls with no boobs or breasts, or what should I say, breasts? I don't know if they're really meant for girls with no chest, but they didn't fit, so I think I'm gonna return this back. Next, I got another shirt to go with the pants. This is a white shirt, and this is also like kind of low. I really wanted a white kind of tank top style, and I like how this one was like a knit. I got this in a size medium, and this was $29. and I know that I could wear a lot in the summertime, but I'm gonna think about this one. I may get it in a smaller size. I got it in a size medium, and I feel like it's gonna stretch out a lot. The last shirt that I got to go with these pants is this white shirt. It's a bit see-through. I'm just noticing it now that I'm trying it on. It was only $9.90. Yeah, I really like this shirt. It's good quality and it's really nice and stretchy. I know a lot of girls will wear this see-through and wear like a bralette under it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna have to wear something under it because it is see-through as heck. Okay, the next thing I got is another one of my faves that I got in this whole collection, and I've been looking for so long for a denim skirt that fits me. I love denim skirts. I've worn denim skirts all summer, but I only had one because I could not find one that fits me. So good news is this stretches. This is a stretchy denim skirt. Look at the stretch. And so if you have a big old donkey booty, these are gonna fit you. I got a size large, and I actually probably could have worn medium too because the back kind of like lifted a little bit, but I don't know, just in case my butt, let me not get too ambitious and just stick with the large. But yeah, I like the pockets are perfect and they're not too big where they make your butt look like extra huge, and they're not too small. If you guys didn't know, bigger pockets make your butt look bigger. The fades at the front make your thighs look really nice. I put them on Snapchat and everyone was like, oh my god, they look so good, they look so good. But yeah, these are really cute. I'm so excited to wear this. Like, I'm so excited to wear this. They came in a white denim and a gray denim, so I'm definitely gonna buy those two when Zara sale comes. And this skirt was only $35, and my friend thought it was Topshop, and Topshop it would have been at least $65, so I think that's a steal. I got some accessories. I got this bag. This bag was $49, and it really caught my eye because it looks like a Chanel bag. Can't afford a Chanel bag right now, so I'm gonna stick to the Zara bags. Zara always usually has really good bags, but I love bags that it has a chains that you can like adjust like this. Make it, can you like cooperate please? You can make it long, or you can make it short, and it just looks so expensive. Like, I love it. It's so cute. The only thing about this bag is I really didn't take in, I don't know why I didn't take in these little things. I wish I could find this bag without these little things. I feel like it cheapens it just a little bit. I wish it was just all black. All black would just be fine with me. Like, I don't even care. That's all I want. The very last thing that I got from Zara were these sandals right here. I live in sandals in the summertime. Like, that's all I wear. I like being close to the floor. But yeah, I really love like a flat sandal, and I don't like my feet being covered either. I like open toe stuff. That's why winter is not really for you girls. So these were $45. I'm a size 9.5, so I just got a size 10, a US 10. These 41. And I think these are so cute. I just love sandals. I love the braided detail. I just love sandals. Like, these are everything to me. You are everything. Dresses in denim skirts and sandals all summer 18. Oh, so lastly, I'm gonna add some bonus items that I didn't get from Zara, but I feel like these are really good tips for you guys. So for girls that have longer arms and longer limbs in general, what I used to do back in school was I used to shop in the men's section, but that's because I had like a tomboy style. But now I actually started going back to the men's section, and I realized a lot of their stuff fits better because obviously it's longer. So what I do is I get an extra small or a small in the men's section, and it ends up fitting so good. So this is a jacket that I got from Forever 21 the other day, and it was originally $59. Look at this color, and I got it for $19 on sale. Sometimes Forever 21 sales have gems in them. So let me show you guys the fit of this jacket. Oh my god, I love it so much. All the way, oh my god, look at that. It fits all the way past my wrist. That never happens. And it looks even better when I zip it up. My shoe is like right there. So, and I just wear it like this. But for $19, this is such a steal. And it just zips up. And the other item that I got were these shoes that I got from Target. I'm really loving this trend of like Moroccan sandals. because these are the shape of the sandals that they wear in Morocco, I think, from the pictures that I see. I've never been there. I really don't. I think they were like 25. They were either 25 or 20. No, they were 25. And I think they're just so cute. Like, I have so many ideas of what to wear with them. I dress like really plain. Like, I wear like a basic black dress or like a basic skirt and a shirt. And then like really cute shoes. My makeup and hair will be cute. My accessories will be cute. My bag will be cute. Thanks guys so much for tuning in to this video. I hope you guys got something. I actually put a lot of work into this haul, and I'm glad that I can shoot for my tall curvy girls, just my tall girls in general. So I think I'm gonna shoot Fashion Nova next because I have a store credit from them, and I'm really curious about their pants, like how their pants fit for tall girls, because their models are never tall. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and share it to your fellow tall friend or Zara lover. Okay, bye guys. This is how we do it down in Puerto Rico. I just want to. Who am I? I wear hoops now. I wear hoop earrings. Okay, is it gonna go through or not? Yes, B. Okay, I'm very, listen, I am very expensive. My hands are so dry. Oh my gosh. Listen, it smells like fruit punch. Oh my god, it's so good. It says Majola B. I am very, very busy. I don't have time for this, okay?